Hey yo, good morning guys. Double G Bassin here, back with another video. And today, as you can see, I am walking through the woods right now. And yes, it is raining. And this is kind of a short notice video here because I'm up north at the cabin with my dad. And we just came back here to check on the food plots, and we drove past what I thought was an oyster mushroom. We drove past it on the side-by-side. So I went and I checked it out, and I went back, did some research, and sure enough, it was an oyster mushroom. So I did my research, and now I'm back, and we are gonna go over how to identify it and the best way to cook it. So let's go. Oh boy, I see it. That is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is that? Wow. We are here with the mushrooms. I'm sorry if my camera's being weird right now. It's getting pretty dark outside, so the camera's having a little bit of trouble focusing right now. What I'm here to tell you guys right now is how to identify these mushrooms. So, number one, first and foremost, the oyster mushrooms. This one in specific is a pearl oyster mushroom. They have gills on their bottom side, so that is a really easy way to identify them. Another way is they grow in clusters like this, big clusters, almost like shelf-like, and they grow out from the tree. And you'll never or very rarely see these growing from the ground. They're almost always growing on dying or dead hardwood, like this bad boy right here. The third way you can identify an oyster mushroom is it will have these little black beetles in them. The beetles are called iridolites or something, some weird name like that I don't know how to pronounce. You'll find them in these clusters of mushroom. They are white with a little dark tan tint to them. And a good way to tell if they are ready to be harvested is, so these mushrooms, they grow out like this, right? And if you look at the end of these mushrooms, they're starting to grow back down. So it's almost like an umbrella at the end. So that's how you know that they are ready to be harvested. These guys are definitely ready. We are going to pick some of these mushrooms. We are going to give them a little taste test. I've never actually eaten these before or picked them, so this is my first time. I'm just passing the information I learned on to you guys, because if you ever come across a mushroom and you want to know what it is, maybe this is the one you come across and you find my video and I could help you, I think that's awesome. I really do. Always make sure you do your research. Don't go out and collect mushrooms and eat them if you don't know exactly what it is, because some of these mushrooms out here are very dangerous and some can actually even kill you. So you have to be very, very, very specific and careful on what mushrooms you pick and eat. We are going to pick them and we are going to give them a little test. So let's go. Alright guys, so real quick before we get back to the video, this is the closest lookalike that I could find to an oyster mushroom. This is called an angel wing, and it does have the gills and the color of an oyster mushroom, but there is a very clear difference in the shape from the oyster to the angel wing. If you want to screenshot this or save it, just so you know that there is a lookalike out there, you're more than welcome to do so. But yeah, just be aware that there is a lookalike out there. Got the whole cluster. That's so awesome. Alright guys, I think that's enough. It's because it's my first time, and if I like how they taste, then I know where to find them. So let's get back to the cabin and cook these bad boys up. Alright guys, here are beautiful mushrooms. I am just gonna rinse them off really quick to get all the dirt off, and then soak them in some salt water for a couple minutes just to get out any bugs that may have been in there when we picked them, and then we will get to cooking them up. Alright, so the moment we have all been waiting for. I am going to try this mushroom. Yeah, we're just going to see how it tastes. But before I do this, I just want to remind you guys, if you're out there, you look at a mushroom and you think it's, say, an oyster mushroom, make sure you really do your research. Like, don't just use this video and trust me and eat the mushroom just because I said it's safe to. I am not a professional at all. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning after I eat this. But we'll see, and we'll hope for the best. I'm like 99.999% sure that this is an oyster mushroom, so I think I'll be fine. But either way, we're gonna try it right now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't think any other mushroom is going to taste that good, so now I am 100% sure that this is an oyster mushroom. I think that is way better than the morel mushrooms that we found just a couple months ago. This is incredible. I just sauteed it in a bunch of butter, and holy crap, this is incredible. But wow, yeah. If you guys want to do this yourselves, make sure you do the proper research and get out there, get in the woods, and just go find yourself some mushrooms. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I know it was a little short. I just saw that out there and decided to make a little video on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Double G Bassin signing out. Peace. What's up, guys? I did wake up. Oyster mushrooms, amazing. Peace.